can see, guys. So this is just how you weed this when planted in just one line. You just use one hand. Yes, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nasto. Yes, good morning or good afternoon, depending on what time maybe you're watching this video. Yes, I'm coming live from the village together with Maja here.
Yeah, good morning people. My name is Maja KE. Welcome back to this YouTube channel.
Yes.
If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing,
Yes,
and sharing.
Yeah.
So today we are live from our village.
Yes.
It's
around 8 a.m.
8 a.m. Yeah, 8 a.m. in the morning.
So we want to do a morning routine. We want to get into the store, get some jembes so that we can go to the shamba. Yes. So this is how everything is. Yeah, so this is how our jembes look like, and Maja is trying to find his.
Okay. Today I think I will use a rake.
Oh,
you can
so
see we're on gumboots.
Yes. So he wants to use this. So this is a rake, and mine is a djembe. And inside here we have some sorghum. So this is how sorghum looks like. Yes. So sorghum is very good for ugali. It can be mixed with cassava. Also very healthy with making porridge. Yes.
Yeah.
Porridge. Yes, very nice for making porridge. Yes. So let's head to our djembe and carry on our morning routine. Yes, so he has a djembe and also a rake. So this is how everything is. So here you can see you have some very big how are those called? Avocados. So this is our shamba. So we want to weed some
Small garden.
Yes, our small garden here. So this is basically for food stuff, traditional vegetables like this. Very good for eating ugali and nyama. Yes. So let's go on, guys. Let's go on.
And this is sunflower.
Oh yeah. Actually this is sunflower. I had not seen this. So this is how sunflower looks like. So let me come from this end. You can see, guys. So this is sunflower. Very nice sunflower. Yeah.
So Nasto is trying to weed the veggies. This is a small garden in the village, you know.
So somewhere djembe cannot pass through, and just use your hands to uproot the weeds. Let me bring a better djembe for such kind of a place. Let me show you. Yes. So guys, you can see this is the better djembe. You can see how small it is. So in small areas such as those, this is the best djembe to use. In our language you call this a kevai. Yes. This is a kevai. You can see how it's shaped, very small, and can easily go through such places. So come along, let me show you. And you can just use one hand while weeding with this one. Oh, does not want to do the work. Yes. So this is how you use it. Yes. You can see, guys. This is the best in weeding such small areas. Just this way. And very fast also. So the bigger djembe will have uprooted the vegetables, but this one you just use one hand and very efficient also. You can show them down here how how it's doing its job. You can see that very fast. Very fast and efficient.
So you see guys, Nasto can be a shamba boy. So
Yes,
if you
be a shamba boy. If you want to hire me,
yeah, you can hire him
can
for
hire me.
such.
Yeah. I can really maintain your garden very well. I can maintain your garden. So this is another food stuff or another local food. So in our language you call this mrenda. This is mrenda, and this is kirerema. This is kirerema. Yes, so this one grows in one area like this. Yes. Yes. So, and the best thing about such food, it grows like you can see here. They cut it, so when uprooting, you just remove the leaves like this, and it keeps growing until somewhere here. When it gets old, these seeds they dry up, so you can remove these seeds and then dry them in the sun and then replant them. It is very easy. So a shamba like this, you can see it has been replanted. So you just clear everything and just spread using your hand, and everything grows like this. Yes. So this also is kumawiki, and also this, it can grow very tall, very tall. Yes, so this is kumawiki, and they can be mixed. So when cooking, you don't have to just cook maybe one food stuff. You can mix this with that and also this one. So if you've ever tasted this, kindly comment down below. So this is a very good food stuff also. We call it mchicha in Kiswahili. Very healthy. So inside this shamba you can decide to uproot different vegetables and cook them combined. So you can take mrenda, kihango, mchicha, and also this. So this we call them amakobe. This is amakobe. Yes, very healthy also. So you can see how healthy our shambas are, or how productive our gardens are. So this is corn also. This is corn or maize. So this you can make very good gideri with them, or ugali. Yes. So let's continue. So this is sunflower. So on this other end here, this is very nice. You can see it's planted in one row like this. So weeding it becomes very easy also. Just this one. You can see, guys. So this is just how you weed this when planted in just one line. You can see. Then you can turn this other end. You can see how fast this small jembe is. Yes? Very efficient. And you just use one hand. So, how is this food served? Yes. So, Maja, do you know the name of maybe this food stuff?
Oh, yeah, this is that is a pumpkin.
Yes, this is
yeah,
pumpkin.
behind you, that is a pumpkin.
The leaves can also be cooked.
Yeah,
Pumpkin
so
leaves,
sweet.
you can cook them. And also down here you can see I'm weeding some
we call them in Swahili managu.
yes, so
Managu, yeah.
managu.
I don't know in
Very
your
sweet.
language, yeah.
Just show them here. I don't know how in English they are called, but this is managu, one of the best local food stuff. So this is managu. It's actually my favorite. So managu is one of the best. So you can see our garden has different species of local vegetables, from murenda, makobe, pumpkin, pumpkin. Also have msaga, kererema. So you can see, so a shamba like this can consist different types of food stuff, and you can cook them together so that you can have different vitamins in just one meal. Yes.
And Nasto, you can see what you showed them last at the store.
Oh,
This is, wheat, yeah?
Sorghum.
Sorghum.
Yes,
not-
this is sorghum.
this is
Wheat
sorghum,
is usually short.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, like rice.
So this is sorghum.
Yes. So at the beginning of our video, we showed you some sorghum. So
Yeah.
this is how sorghum grows.
Yeah.
So you can see. So these are not mature.
Yeah.
So
Like
when
this one, I think this one is ready.
yes,
to,
so you
yeah.
can see this one is ready. So yeah, when it matures, it changes the color. You can
Yeah.
see like the young ones are green in color, but then it becomes brown when
somehow brown,
now mature,
blackish.
blackish. Yes. So you can see, guys. So this is sorghum, and this is how sorghum is planted or grows. Yes, so maybe tell us down below, do you also have a small garden maybe in your area, and what maybe food stuff or vegetables do you plant in your small garden, guys? Yes, comment down below, let us know maybe what is your favorite vegetable maybe. Yes, so we are done with our shamba here, so Maja now wants to go and weed some fruits. Yes.
Yeah. So we have some fruits here. We have lemon.
Yeah.
have,
Where's your jam?
Let me go and get my jam.
Yes, so Maja is going to get the djembe. Yes, so this is efficient for small gardens that have compact vegetables. Now a place like this, weeding a fruit like this, so this is oranges. This is an orange tree. So weeding this, you cannot use such a small djembe. You have now to use a bigger one, like Maja is coming with it. Yes. Yes, so you can see we already have here some oranges. So Maja wants to weed this. Let's see his power or energy.
So guys, this is the djembe. This
Djembe.
is what you use here in our village.
Yes.
This is what you use to weed.
Weed.
Yeah.
You can see how he's doing the job. Yes. So it's good to put so much soil on the orange. It's doing so much soil on the orange so that it gets healthy. And the good thing about these oranges, they do not grow so tall.
Yeah.
Just short and productive. So this is the morning routine here in the village, going through our shamba and everything, and then weeding now our orange trees. Chapa yun gin. Machok. Yes, so
It's not easy actually.
it's not easy.
Yeah.
It requires so much practice.
Yeah.
how we remove the weeds. You pull and you shake the soil. It's like that. Then you put them sideways like that.
So I can see, Nasto.
Yes.
I can see some a tomato is also here.
Yeah. So I cannot uproot that tomato. You just have to give it some small soil and remove the weed around the tomato. Yes. So let's go to the next. So the rake we'll be using later to remove now this. Yes.
Yeah.
Is now that. So you can see every orange has somehow some this tomato in it. Also, this is food stuff. I don't know how this is called, but this is also edible.
So actually, when you make kachumbari, you can use you know kachumbari.
Yes.
What is it called in English? Maybe. So kachumbari, you can use tomatoes and onion. Yeah, true. When you have your nyama choma, you know, roasted meat.
It's somehow like salad, but using now tomato and beans, tomato and onions.
Yeah.
Yes. So that is how we weed our fruits here in the village, guys. Yes. So thank you for watching, guys. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and see you in our next video. Yes. So say hi, say bye.
Yes, guys.
Yes.
Thank you for watching this video. If this is your first time,
Yes,
kindly follow us, share, subscribe, and comment.
yes. Also check us on Instagram. What is your Instagram handle?
My Instagram handle is MajaKE.
Yes.
Yeah, my all social media handles MajaKE.
Yes. Mine also. ItsNasto on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Also subscribe, and see you in our next
video. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel,
Yes.
MajaKE.
Yes. Kindly go check out Maja KE
Yeah.
on YouTube. Bye.
Bye.